Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on logarithmic equations and solving them. And these two examples also incorporate some of the rules of logs. Namely, to condense this under one log with subtraction, that means the arguments need to be divided. Before I can do any other tricks of solving, I need just a single log on this side. So I get log of negative 24p cubed divided by negative 2p equals log of 108. Well, this reduces down to 12p squared equals log of 108. Well, here's the deal. If the logs are the same, and they are, then the arguments have to be the same. So log of something equaling log of something else, that something, 12p squared, better equal that something else. So because we have log of something equaling log of something with nothing else adorning these equations, we can just say that they have to equal each other. I'm going to divide by 12, and I'm going to get that p squared is equal to 9. Then I'm going to square root, but I have to acknowledge that it could be a positive or a negative, so negative 3 or 3. The thing is, the argument of the log has to be positive. A generic graph of y equaling log of x looks like this. It does not cross that y-axis. It's never 0, it's never negative. Your x values, the numbers that you put into a log, cannot be 0, cannot be negative. Try it on your calculator, you'll get an error. So what ends up being in this argument has to be positive. Well, to make negative 2p positive, the actual only answer is the negative 3. We cannot have the answer of positive 3 because this would be a negative, this would be a negative, and neither of them would actually work. The same thing's going to happen on my next problem, which is interesting. When we add, so when we subtracted logs, we divided the arguments. When you add, you multiply them. So log base 12 of negative 4x times negative x equals 2. So log base 12 of negative 4x, positive 4x squared equals 2. Okay. So this one's a little different. Here we had logs on both sides, here we don't. But the rule says that the inverse of log base 12 is 12 to an exponent. So what we're going to do is we're going to take both sides of our equal sign and make them exponents to the base of 12, because 12 to the power of log base 12, these are inverses and undo each other. So on the left-hand side, these guys, there and back again, they undo each other, and I'm left with 4x squared, and 12 squared is 144. If I divide by 4, I get that x squared is equal to 36. And again, when I square root, that squared means two solutions. I get negative 6 and positive 6. Again, the arguments have to be positive, so the only answer that is allowed is negative 6. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.